Well, ladies and gentlemen, the time has arrived for yet again another Call of Duty season. And we are already at Season 3, which is going to be released tomorrow, April 12th. So, let's take a look. Now, they're doing some new things here. New things to get more money from you. Are you surprised? I'm not. But let's go and take a look via Deserto. They actually have a very nice, in-depth kind of look at what's going on here. So kudos to them. So let's just kind of go over through the highlights here. They're saying a monumental shift to Warzone 2. Well, they're bringing back one-shot snipers. Redeploy drones and El Mazrah. Now, El Mazrah, they're doing Resurgence on, which is going to be interesting. Apparently, it's 150 people drop in El Mazrah, and you're doing Resurgence. So we'll see how that plays out. I think it'll be cool. They got a whole in-depth thing here with the Season Battle Pass price and bundles here. So it seems like it's going to be the standard price here for Season 3, which is 1,100 COD, which is, $11. But they're saying there's no premium Battle Pass bundle for $24 except now they have this Black Cell Battle Pass thing that's $29, which you get a little bit of extra stuff. It's just your typical upsell. I mean, hey, if you're invested in it and you want to get more out of the season, essentially that's what Black Cell is. And so, oh yeah, the new weapons, FGX Imperium, which is the bolt action sniper rifle that a lot of people have enjoyed in the past. So that'll be kind of cool. They have new skins now. Valeria operator skin, battle rifle blueprint, Alejandro operator skin. I think we all kind of saw a preview of that within the game. So they're bringing the story characters on over, which is cool. This looks cool. Valeria looks badass for sure. Let's see here. What else do we have? Yeah, just some, Farah operator skin, Gus operator skin. Okay. I care about like what are the weapons? What are the new maps and what are the new modes? Right. That's my big thing, because we were supposed to apparently get gunfights in Season 2. We never got them. Gunfights are my personal favorite, but so for the Black Cell, replacing the current Battle Pass bundle with a new premium option. It's just a more of an upsell. See how much is Black Cell? It's $29, and what they're saying is okay. So here we go. Multiplayer fans have plenty to be excited about. I've been playing more of the multiplayer. I find it more enjoyable. So we're getting new maps and finally gunfight. They say DMZ has a new butter system and workbench to add a layer of depth. Season 3 also introduces the Cronin Squall battle rifle and FJX Imperium sniper rifle that I mentioned earlier. That'll be unlocked in the Battle Pass, hence pay to win, because I guarantee you if you don't pay for the Battle Pass, you will not get those guns. And then, just to reiterate, with Black Cell offers community members a shortcut to unlocking Battle Pass tiers earlier. Again, Black Cell options include everything that was included in the original Battle Pass bundle with more exclusive content. Not to sound redundant, it's more of just it's just more of an upsell. Access to full Season 3 Battle Pass 20 tier skips, 1,100 COD points, up to 1,400 additional rewarded. You get Black Cell Operator Adam, Pro-Tune Singularity Weapon Blueprint. It just, more pay to win stuff if you have the money. But I'm looking forward towards the gunfights. I know that there's the Mazrah Resurgence going to be cool. Maybe that'll get me playing more Warzone type stuff. New gulag. So, I mean, hey, it seems like a good amount of stuff if you're going to, again, spend the money. We'll see what happens. These snipers, I think, are going to be an absolute mess for Warzone. But that's just my personal opinion. What do you guys think? Are you excited for the new rifles? What do you think about this Black Cell premium season pass? Are you going to spend the money on it? Or are you going to skip this season? I don't know. Let me know. That's some news for you guys. I'll talk to you soon.